Welcome to your channel. Please like, share, and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different topic or subject such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand or learn more. Today we will see a video related to social science subject. In that today's topic is GSEB solution for class 7 social science chapter 11 devotion towards the Almighty. So let's solve the exercise of the textbook. The first question is answer the following questions. In that the first one is explain the condition of religion before independence. So in olden days common people stayed away from education. Traditionally, members of the working class underwent vocational training. People were religious, but superstitions were also widely prevalent during that time. Due to this, undue advantage was taken by many opportunities. People weren't as scared of kings as much as religious heads and sons. Religion became superficial. Idol worship had become widespread. Though people believed in and respected religious books like the Vedas, Purans, etc., they were ignorant about the main philosophies that propagated. Charities was considered as a noble deed. Hindus and Muslims considered charity as part of their religious belief. Second, write a short note about Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak went to Sri Lanka, Uzbekistan and Iran. He believed first man is first a human being and then a person of a particular caste. There is only one God and everyone is equal for him. He is omnipotent, omnipresent and omniscient. He is the Guru and the real Sahib. Guru Nanak believed that with the help of Sadguru, 11 point Guru Nanak one can attain real knowledge and can know him, and one has to seek the shelter of God in order to remove ignorance. Satnam is accepted as a symbol of good God and one must continuously chant God's name. He also believed that more than merely chanting his name, it is important to consider everyone equal, and only then does it become sexual religion. People of different religions became his followers. They are known as Sikhs. His preachings are collected in the book titled Guru Granth Sahib. What was the message of Kabir? According to him, there is only one supreme being who is known by different names like Sahib, Allah, Khuda, Ram, Rahim, Govind, Brahma, etc. Next, which superstitions are prevalent in the present society? Ghosts, spirits, apparitions, etc. were believed in and even worshipped. A few superstitions also become widely spread among the people. True faith had lessened. Some opportunistic priests, Maulvis, sons, witch doctors, etc., started taking advantage of the ignorance of people and their blind belief to make their own lives more comfortable and luxurious. Question 2 is identify me. The first one, my words Haribol were spread in Bengal. So it is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. My followers are known as Sikh Guru Nanak. I was born in the Nagar family, Narsingh Mehta. The Raidasi sect started because of my name, Raidas. Next is fill in the blanks. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born in the famous Vidyadham, Navdeep, the places where Vallabhacharya had the Bhagavad Katha and Parayana is known as Baithak. Sant Guru Nanak was born in Taiwandi near Lahore in Punjab. Ramananda was Kabir's and Raidas Guru. In the Acharya sect tradition of Vaishnavism, Sant Kabir was the last Acharya. Next is write short notes on. So first topic is Narsingh Mehta. The most renowned Gujarati poet is Narsingh Mehta, who was born in the Nagar family. He spent time in the company of sons for his childhood days. Even though he got married, he had no attachment with his wife, a family. He was always engrossed in Krishna Bhakti. He was deeply affected when he saw people discriminating others on the basis of caste, color, greed, etc. He believed where there is equality, there is God. Using his own example, he proved that a person having faith and devotion towards God can overcome all problems in life. His knowledge, devotional songs, and pratyanas deeply affected the Gujarati committees. The second is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was the last guru or preacher in the Acharya tradition in Vaishnavism. He was born in 1485 CE in the famous educational place Navdeep in Bengal. He became very well known because of his love for meditation. The depth of his devotion knew no bounds. He popularized the chant of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Within a short span, this mantra spread all over Bengal. People of any caste will join his Kirtan Mandali. People even started having Kirtan in their homes. He spread the message of Krishna Bhakti in different corners of the different states. He propagated his sect without any distinction on the basis of caste, color, and greed in such a way that it created integration and brotherhood among the people. He asked the people to pass their days in God's service and chant his name. So this was the solution of GSEB textbook of Social Science of Standard 7, Chapter 11. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.